Durud, hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to earn money from WordPress themes. There are so many ways, as you know. For example, you can design your own theme and sell it to a customer with telephone marketing. You can design a theme and sell it on WordPress market or any other markets you know, which your theme helps people out there to launch their own websites with a nice view. Another way is you can program a website for yourself, which can give you abilities to move your own business forward. So there are so many ways. But in this video, we are going to teach you how you can design your own theme in maybe less than 1 or 2 hours. And it's the basic idea of what you need to do and what you need to know about WordPress. If you heard about it, maybe you have everything that you need to start with this video. So let's check it out. We have internet connection, yes. And at first you have to download and install WordPress, and you have to install it as we told in previous videos, and I have tutorials which I teach you how you can install WordPress on a server, or you can buy a server which is WordPress automatically is installed on that server. Okay, we're not going to talk about WordPress installation in this case, but you have to get access to the WordPress root. I mean, where you placed your WordPress files. For example, here, this is where you placed your WordPress files. You get into, let's get into it. There are 3 folders in a default WordPress installations. One of them is WP content. When you go inside, you will have 2 folders which are really important for us, and also for bilingual people like us. So this folder would be important also, or for international companies, these folders will be important. But when you go here, if you want to create a plugin for WordPress, you are going to use this folder. And if you are going to design a theme for WordPress, you will use this folder. So I go inside. I have to create a new folder called, for example, my theme, or my personal blog, or for example, DIY blog. It's my theme name. Okay, my blog. I will call it my blog. And I go inside. So if I will teach you the most simple way you can create a WordPress theme. Okay. So if I go to my WordPress admin dashboard here, and if I go to appearance, you can see an error here which said there is a theme which is broken. It's called my blog, and description of the error is such it is missing. Just simply open it in your Visual Studio or anywhere that you want to code. For example, I have Visual Studio Code. I just open that folder, open the folder of that project. And here I'm going to create a file called style.css. So if I refresh this page, you can see that error changed to you need an index.php. So I will create another file called index.php. And if I again refresh it, you can see that there is no error. And here it is your theme that you can activate it. And if you go to your website, to your home page, you can see that it's a blank page. If you write anything here, like anything, if you write anything here, you can see anything here. So it's really easy until this moment. We can design everything that we need. So if I write HTML5 here, and if I write my blog and welcome to my theme, powered by WordPress. Okay, you can see the title is inserted there, and here it is the message that we have rewritten here, and this is the source code of this website. Really, it's working like a charm, but it's not in a standard theme. Let me show you some tricks. I will open my Visual Studio in a side and my browser side by side. Visual Studio and my browser. And I don't need this folder anymore. I don't need also the admin dashboard anymore. I think at least that I don't need it. But here I want to show you that you can use some files to cheat if you don't want to remember everything, and if you don't want to use your brain. You can, like me, which I'm really lazy programmer. So you can open another folder, open folder, in that WordPress project, in same themes, but not your own theme file. Original WordPress theme folder. So if you open it, you can just compare your theme with WordPress theme original themes. As you can see, there are some comments in the style.css file. I just copy and paste them in my own theme file. And here, okay, I can just, I think I don't need it anymore. I can close this file. Okay, we have, this is my blog theme at the moment. And let me make it full screen so you can see everything here. So theme name would be my blog theme. The text domain would be my blog. Text domain is really important when you are going to have multi-language website. Description would be my theme, which was developed under an hour. Okay, and here this is the tags which will help that market to search and find themes that users looking for. And author is me. Author URI would be my website, and etc. Another parts you can work with it. Requires at least PHP 5.2, requires at least WordPress 4.7, and let's go and check out the let me say the admin dashboard here. And you can see that this title changed, and it means that it have everything it has all of those description we put here. Okay, let's go back to our theme here. It has nothing. As I told before, I'm a really lazy programmer, and I have wasted 10 minutes until this moment to create nothing. So I have to, and 10 minutes, it's really lots of time. So here I go to downloads templates for my work. Download template HTML CSS for free. Yes, I'm going to download templates, free templates, and I'm going to convert those templates to WordPress theme. Let me see why not working. Okay, and free HTML CSS templates. Let's check them out. If they will give us free templates, I will love them. Believe me that I will love them. Anyone who will give me free templates. So this is really cool. This is really nice. Believe me that this theme is really nice. I like it. And there are also other templates here. They are also nice. Really, they are nice. This is really beautiful. And I think we have to waste a lot of time to find our template, which we are going to work with them. Okay, let me use a simple one. For example, this one is really nice. It's about a food blog. Okay, it's about food blog. You can use it for your own food blog. So let me see demo. Really cool. Really nice. Yeah, and it says pagination. I am who I am. Yeah. Okay. Can I use it? Blog posts, footer, and popular tags. It has everything that we need, and it has a cool menu. Okay, let me try it myself. Oh, it's really fine. I will copy all those files here. Where is the CSS sort really? Where is its CSS files? I cannot see where is the CSS. It has to be somewhere here. Okay, this is, I think, the theme. Yeah, that's the style sheet file. No way. Okay, I'm going to put it inside my code in my index page, and I will return back to my web page here. Oh yes, it's working. It's working. It's really cool. So let me view my page source. Here it is, the CSS file. I will copy and make it offline here. For example, you can create a folder called CSS here. And inside that CSS file, you can create a layout.css or maybe that w3.css file. And here when you can just copy and paste all those files here, and you can return back to your header. You have to set another address for this. It will not work. Believe me that will not work. Why? As you can see, it's not working. Because if I click on this link, it will go to somewhere that I don't want it to go. So I have to write a WordPress behind this, because my WordPress is stored in a folder called WordPress. So if I refresh it for another time, it will not work again. And why it will not work again? Because because of this. WordPress CSS w3.css and something like that. Okay, let me check the source again, and if I click on it, it will not work again because it's somewhere like this. WP content and themes and my blog and CSS and w3.css. So maybe this time it will work. Yes, it will work. And if I go back to my theme file, you can see that it loaded from local, from my directory. But this is not really a standard way to do that. So I will delete it. And I put PHP. As you know that if I say hello here, you can see that this will change to something like that. Hello CSS on W3. So I can delete that and say echo get, what's going on? Echo, okay, save it. What's the problem? Okay. Echo get template directory get template directory URI. This is a function, so it has some useless parentheses there. Okay, what's wrong with it? It doesn't have any problem, I think. So if I refresh this page, you can see that it automatically added everything that I need to work fine. Here it is, here we go. We have to, if I teach you at this moment to load your own posts here, I can say that this video is going to near its end. How can I make these segments load my own posts? I mean the posts that I sent from my WP content, WordPress, WordPress and WP admin from my dashboard. So I want to write posts, my own posts, and I want to load them right there. I go down here. So you can see that first photo grid, second photo grid, which is not really nice, I think. You have, it's not the most pretty thing that I have saw in past week, and this is not also really nice, but it's okay, we can use it. Let me show you some power of PHP. A question: do you need CSS, JavaScript, HTML, and PHP to design a WordPress theme? Short answer, yes. Long answer, yes, but not always. So, because you can copy and paste everything that you need. So I can say while let me say for as you know from basic programming, from your programming course in university, for I which is 0 at this moment, and while I is less than 10, for example, or less than 3, for example, get into my code and go to my code and add a step to my variable. This is what does it mean, what it's mean really. So I can say echo hello, for example. I don't know why it thinks that my code is kind of shit and always mark it as a no, it doesn't have any problem, you know. You yourself is the bug, and don't think that I am. Maybe that's right. What's wrong with that for? It has to work. No, that's the real. It really has to work. Oh, okay, it's working. You can see that hello, and everything. So at this moment, I can, instead of hello, I can say something else. For example, I can say, I want everything in this for to repeat 3 times. Okay, so I can say PHP, and here I can say hello, and it is the same. It is same as saying echo hello. And I can copy this and delete the next items and put them inside my while loop, my for loop. So I said to repeat them in 3 times, I can say repeat it 2 times, and I can say repeat it for 10 times. As you can see, it's repeated 10 times and it's working really nice. So if it's working with first row and it's okay, why it has 2 rows? I don't know. And if you don't know why something is working, please do not delete it, just comment it out. And here, if I change this h3 to my post title, and if I change this to my post content, and if I change this loop to every post in my database, it will load posts here. Do you need SQL to load these posts here? Yes, you can do it with SQL, but it's not really nice to do. So here I say while have posts, do this. So it will never stop. Excuse me, I made a mistake really. I made them, oh my god. You should not repeat this. Okay, while have posts, here you have to say the post. It means go and get the post, which you haven't. Okay, we have 2 posts in our system. And here, instead of writing any kind of title, you should say simply, really simple. You can say the title. It's really beautiful, isn't it? Title, yeah. Okay, PHP. It's really nice because these are the posts in my dashboard admin. My first post in Hello World, and I can add another one, another fantastic post here, and I can publish it simply. Publish, and okay. Here, when you go here, you can see that you can just manage it from your WordPress dashboard. And as you know, here you can say you want to have your, the content here. It's really working like a charm. You don't need to really do any strange thing. It's working. So as you can see, in less than 30 minutes, we have designed our own posts, our own WordPress theme, which you can work on it for next several hours, for next hours. And here for post thumbnail, you can say, I think get the post, get post thumbnail. I think thumbnail. I think it's get post thumbnail. No, it's not working. So when it's not working, you can just say google.com. You can say google.com. Here you can say get post thumbnail. URL WordPress. Yes, and get the post thumbnail URL. Get the post thumbnail URL, and I think you have to put an echo before that. Yeah, and here an echo. And you can say don't load those large files, load small files. and here it is the size, which what kind of size I can get to. Size. How many kind of size can I offer to that? I think thumbnail, yeah. Thumbnail it has to work. The post thumbnail and thumbnail, I think this will also work. I think this will also work. No, it will not. Okay. I'll check it out, and you can also check it by yourself. But it's working. You can get your own website title here with WordPress functions. You can load your own menu here. You can load your own widgets here and everything. As you can see, you don't need to develop a website from scratch when you can use WordPress. You shouldn't develop a website for a personal website or even an online shopping website, store website. You shouldn't write it from scratch when WordPress is providing everything you need, and it's open source. And you can earn money from writing and developing your own theme files. So why not? Okay, I think 30 minutes for WordPress is enough. Please write down anything, your feedback in comments, and contact me if there's any question with my email, smile@tyyi.net. And also, this is my website. Please send me your feedbacks in comments or or using email. Thank you very much, and hope you doing well. Goodbye.